AI has been advancing and has been making headlines for years, but the latest breakthrough from ETH Zurich is pretty entertaining. Scientists have trained a robot dog called ANYmal to play badminton against humans. The four-legged robot, equipped with an arm and racket, can rally up to 10 shots with a human opponent. This development is more than an experiment. It shows how AI is opening doors for new things even in sports. What is ANYmal? ANYmal is a 110-pound, 50-kilogram quadruped robot developed at ETH Zurich's Robotic Systems Lab. It usually resembles a robotic dog built for mobility across rough terrain and obstacles. For this project, however, researchers transformed it into a robotic badminton player by attaching a dynamic robotic arm with a racket at a 45-degree angle, a stereo camera system with 2 stacked lenses for 3D depth perception, a control system capable of coordinating 18 joints, 12 on the legs, 6 on the arm. Standing at 5 feet 3 inches, 1.6 meters tall with the arm, ANYmal looks less like a dog and more like a futuristic cyborg athlete. How the robot learned to play badminton. The team used reinforcement learning, a machine learning technique where the AI learns through trial and error with rewards for success. 1. Simulation training. Researchers created a virtual badminton court where a digital twin of ANYmal practiced hitting shuttlecocks. A virtual coach rewarded the robot for correct racket angles, timing, swing, speed, and efficient movement. Over 50 million trial runs, the AI learned to coordinate its 18 joints to chase and strike the shuttlecock. 2. Real-world training. The learned neural network was transferred to the real robot. Shuttlecocks were launched by a machine at varying speeds and angles. ANYmal tracked them using its stereo camera and adjusted its gait. It's sometimes walking, scrambling, or galloping to reach the shuttlecock in time.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. ANYmal is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
By the end, the robot could swing at 12 meters per second, 39 feet per second, about half the speed of an amateur human badminton player. How good is ANYmal at badminton? It can rally up to 10 shots in a row with a human. It adapts its movements depending on distance. Half a meter away, stays put. 1.5 meters away, scrambles with all 4 legs. 2.2 meters away, gallops, even leaping slightly to extend reach. After each shot, it resets to the center of the court, just like human players do instinctively. The main limitation is that ANYmal doesn't yet predict its opponent's body language or strategies. It only tracks the shuttlecock itself. Why badminton? According to study co-author Ma, sports are a perfect test case for robotics. The difficulty level can be gradually increased. The environment is structured yet unpredictable, making it ideal for testing dynamic learning systems. Badminton was chosen because it's fast, visually challenging, and requires precision, a proving ground for next-gen robotics. Real-world applications. While a robot dog playing badminton sounds like fun science, the implications are serious. Potential uses include disaster relief, robots that can move fast, balance while tracking objects, and use. Tools could clear debris or deliver supplies. Construction, agile robots capable of visual tracking and manipulation could handle. Complex tasks on dynamic job sites, space exploration, quadruped robots with arms might navigate asteroids, collect samples, or repair equipment. Entertainment and training, from robotic sports sparring partners to immersive gaming experiences. Why this matters. This project might seem like just another viral robot dog story, but it's a glimpse into the future of human-robot collaboration. The ability to balance visual processing with agile movement is one of the hardest challenges in robotics. ANYmal shows that I can go beyond static tasks like fetching or opening doors and thrive in fast, unpredictable environments. It also raises important questions. Will robots one day become our teammates in sports or even professional competitors? Personally, I find this pretty fascinating. Badminton, a sport, requires a lot of reflexes, but this is now being played by machines. Isn't that amazing? What people are saying. Early reactions across social media have been a mix of amusement, admiration, and concern. This is one of the coolest demonstrations of reinforcement learning I've seen. Can't wait to see them try table tennis next.
What if your water bottle glowed to help you reach your hydration goals? The Lark bottle does. Its smart sensor tracks your intake and glows to remind you when it's time to drink. Plus, it purifies your water on the go. Prioritize your health with the perfect gift for you and your loved ones. Click the link in the comment section to never forget to hydrate again.
So basically, this is Wii Sports, but in real life, with a robot dog. Do we really need a $100,000 robot to play badminton when we could be funding disaster relief bots directly? If robots can already rally with us in sports, how long before they outperform us in everything physical? Okay, but when's the first official robot versus human championship? This mix of excitement and unease mirrors how people usually respond to major AI advances, robots learning like humans. The 50 million simulations ANYmal went through mimic how humans learn sports: repetitive practice, feedback, and gradual improvement. But unlike us, robots don't get tired, injured, or bored. With reinforcement learning, they can compress years of training into weeks of simulation. That's the real breakthrough here: a robot that can take a purely digital training experience and succeed in the messy, unpredictable physical world. ANYmal's badminton skills aren't just a novelty. They're proof that AI and robotics are stepping into truly dynamic human environments. Today, it's badminton only, but who knows? Tomorrow it could easily be clearing earthquake rubble, playing soccer with kids, performing precision surgeries, or even partnering with astronauts on Mars. For now, though, I think it's safe to say this. If you're looking for a new badminton buddy and don't mind a 110-pound robot teammate, ANYmal might be your best option. So, will you have a robot dog as a badminton buddy? I personally still prefer humans. I don't know about you. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more info on AI, robots, and new technology.